Welcome! In this video, we're diving into Dockerfiles and how they are used to create custom Docker images. Get ready to learn about the essentials of Dockerfiles and their role in containerizing applications. A Dockerfile is essentially a text file. This text file contains a series of instructions. These instructions are used to automatically build Docker images. Think of it as a recipe. This recipe automates the process of creating a Docker image. Let's look at the basic structure of a Dockerfile. First, we start with a base image using the from instruction. For example, from Ubuntu 20.04 uses Ubuntu version 20.04 as the starting point. Next, we set the working directory inside the container with the workdir instruction. For example, workdir/app sets the working directory to /app. We can copy files from our local machine to the container using the copy instruction. For example, copy /app copies all files from the current directory to the /app directory inside the container. To run commands inside the container during the image build, we use the run instruction. For example, run apt-get update updates the package lists inside the Ubuntu image. Finally, we can expose ports to allow network traffic to the container using the expose instruction. For example, expose 8080 exposes port 8080. Why would you want to create custom images? There are primarily two reasons for this. The first reason is specific requirements. You might want to use specific dependencies and configurations that your application requires. The second reason is reproducibility. You want to ensure consistent environments across different systems. Let's take a look at the Docker build process. It consists of 3 high-level steps. First, we create a Dockerfile with the instructions. Second, we use the build command to execute the commands. This results in the image. That image is now ready to use. Here are some key Dockerfile instructions. The from instruction specifies the base image to start from. The copy instruction copies files from the host machine to the image. The run instruction executes commands during the build process. The cmd instruction specifies the default command to run when the container starts. Let's walk through a Python application example. We start from Python version 3.9 Slim as our base image. Next, we set the working directory to /app. After that, we copy the requirements.txt file and run pip install using the requirements file. Then we copy the rest of the files. We expose port 5000 and use the cmd instruction to start the Python app. Let's see some benefits of using a Dockerfile. Firstly, there is automation. It gives you an automated image building process. Secondly, you get documentation. It is a self-documenting environment setup. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.